champs. Welcome back to Shubhkaamna Academy, where learning is fun and every angle has a story to tell. Today, we are stepping into the exciting world of geometry, the magical land of shapes, lines, and angles. So, are you ready to become a shape detective? Let's crack the code of geometry together. Table of contents: point, lines, and planes. Angles, types and its properties, triangle, classification and theorems, quadrilaterals, properties and examples, circles, and 3D shapes. So, before proceeding further, let's talk about what is geometry. Geometry is the part of math that deals with shapes, sizes, patterns, and positions. It helps us understand the world around us, from designing a house to playing football to creating beautiful art. Everything is geometry. Basic concepts of geometry. Let's meet our geometry superstars. So, first is point. Point is nothing, it's a dot. Second is a line, the straight path that goes forever in both directions. Like this. Example, a railway track. Now, there is also something called line segment, which is a line with two endpoints. Example, the edge of your notebook. It would be like this. It has two endpoints. Then comes a ray. A ray, a line that starts at one point and goes endlessly in one direction. That would be like this. This is nothing but a ray. This is segment. This is a line. There is one more thing which we call it angle, which is denoted by this. This is an angle. Plane, a flat surface extending infinitely in two dimensions, which is also known as segment. Now, fun interesting game, guess the shape. Let's play the guess the shape game. I'll describe it, you guess it. I have three sides, three angles, and what I am. I have three sides, three angles. What am I? So the answer is a triangle. Three sides. Let's draw a bigger one. So this is the triangle. It has three sides, one, two, and three. And it has also three angles. That is one, two, and three. Next, I have four equal sides and right angle. Who am I? I have four equal sides and four right angles. Who am I? It would be a square. Four sides and four right angles. Like this. this 3 and 4. So we have answered both of them correctly. I am round with no corners. It's very easy. I am round with no corners. Round is a circle. So it has no angle and it's right. It's round. Geometry in real life. You don't just learn geometry, you live it every day. Example, pizza slice are triangle, clock hands from angles, footballs are made of hexagons and pentagons, windows and doors are rectangular. So, we use these things in our real daily life. Talking about the angles, angles are formed by two rays meeting at vertex point. Types: acute angle, that is 90 degree, right angle 90 degree, obtuse greater than 90 degree, straight 180 degrees, supplementary pairs adding up to 180 degrees, complementary pairs adding to up to 90. Triangles and their classifications and theorems. Classification by sides: equilateral, which has all the sides equal; isosceles, which has two sides equal; scalene triangles, which has no sides equal. Classifications by angle: acute, right, and obtuse. Pythagoras theorem: a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared for right triangles. Angles property: sum of interior angles always equals 180 degrees. Quadrilaterals and their properties: square, four equal sides and four right angles, which we have studied just now. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal with right angles. Parallelogram, opposite sides parallel and equal in length. Now, you must be wondering, what are these shapes? Parallelogram looks something like this, okay, which has two lines parallel to each other. Trapezoid, one pair of parallel sides. Important geometry terms that you should know. Polygon, a closed figure with straight sides like triangle, squares. Perimeter, distance around a shape. Area, space inside a shape. Circle term: center, radius, diameter, circumference. So let's also get into the terminologies of circle. This is a circle. This is the center. If we draw a half line from the center, it's called radius, which is denoted by r. If we divide the circle into two halves, this would be termed as diameter, which is denoted by d. Radius is the middle point. Now, a quick fun tip. Whenever you feel stuck in geometry, draw it out. Drawings make it 100 times easier to understand shapes and angles, if I am making more sense. So, congratulations, my geometry geniuses. Today, you have unlocked the world of shape, sizes, and structure. Next time you look around, remember you're surrounded by geometry everywhere. If you enjoyed today's magical ride, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shubhkamna Academy for more such exciting adventures in learning. Until next time, keep shining and dreaming, measuring your success. Bye bye and happy learning.